Hi everyone, what is up? My name is Haley. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you did not know, now you do. Hey you guys, what's up? So in today's video, y'all, first and foremost, I want to say that my nails are looking a hot mess, and also it's very bright today. I was not expecting it to be this bright, but I'm filming in the afternoon. Usually I film at night, and so I have very minimal control over the lighting right now, and hopefully it's not too bright and I don't look too colorful. But in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the 8 most affordable Louis Vuitton bags out there right now with an all leather option. Now I do have to say that I sort of tailored this list to my own liking. There are probably some bags that I did not include in this video because I don't think that they're bags, or I would not use them personally as a bag. Something like the pochette accessoire accessories, it's not on this list because I just don't think it's a bag, but I know that people will argue with me and say that it is. So the first bag, you guys, is going to be a bag that I was a little on the fence about adding to this list, but it made the cut, and it is the Fold Me pouch, I believe is the word. I've never seen this bag before, you guys. I was perusing through the Louis Vuitton website, and I stumbled across this pouch. It was actually recommended to me by Louis Vuitton. It was like based on your previous viewing, or I don't know, selections. We recommend this item to you. And I was like, what is that? What is that? You know, in the Cardi B meme where she's like, what is that? And I clicked on it, and it was quite interesting. And like I said, I was on the fence of adding this to this list, but I know for a lot of people this would be something that they would use as a bag. I think it's interesting. I mean, $1,290 for basically a phone pouch on a sleeve seems pricey to me, and I would just pay a little bit more money to get a nicer bag or another bag on this list, but it looks really cool. I do have to say, like, the craftsmanship of it, the leather around the canvas and how it's crafted and made looks pretty cool, but like I said, it's probably not for me. So we will start with a fan favorite, and it is the Felice. The Felice, you guys, is actually one of my favorite entry-level bags that Louis Vuitton offers. The reason that I do not own it is because I have the favorite from Louis Vuitton, and I feel like the Felice is what replaced the favorite, even though the favorite has now been reintroduced as a totally different bag than what it was before, and I honestly don't like the price point, and I don't like the way that it looks, the revamped version. But the Felice, I feel like, is what they wanted to replace the favorite with. And in my opinion, it's a really nice bag. I really love it, but like I said, I have no use for it because I have the favorite, and I bought a chain, a gold chain that is very similar to the Felice for my favorite, so I can dress it up a little bit. I never actually wear it though. The Felice, I believe, sits at $14.90 USD. All of these prices will be in USD, and I honestly think it's an okay price. When we're looking at the price increases, luxury brands in general, $1,500 is about what you're going to spend. I would say $1,500 to $2,000 for a decent bag. If you're the type of person that loves going out, you don't carry that much, you're very minimal, but you still want a statement piece, the Felice is the best option in my opinion. You get a lot of bang for your buck. You're going to use it a lot. It comes with the card slots or card inserts, so you have, I don't know, just extra, I guess, gifts. So in my personal opinion, if I didn't have the favorite, I would most likely get the Felice, but I would probably get it in the leather version only because they have really cool colors, but that puts it out of the affordable price range. So we're sticking with the monogram canvas, Dame Ebene, Dame Azur versions of this bag. The next bag, you guys, is going to be a classic, pretty obvious, going to be the Speedy 25 Noe BB, meaning no bandolier, no strap, just a basically, what is this called? A bowling bag, a very chic bowling bag. I believe this is, how much is this bag? $15.60, $15.90. How much is this bag? $14.90. Oh, that's actually decent, y'all. $14.90 USD for the classic monogram and Dame Ebene version of this bag. Hey, that's affordable. I mean, I actually was thinking it was going to be a little bit more money, so I'm really shocked at this price. I feel like this is a classic bag, you guys. Louis Vuitton is always going to have this bag. If they get rid of this bag, I would honestly probably fall out or fall from the couch. It's always something that I'm on the fence of wanting to own. I always think I want the smaller version with a bandolier, and then I also am on the fence of maybe I want a bigger version with the bandolier so I can use it for traveling, but I never pull the trigger. I also feel like it's one of those bags that you can use for many different things. Like if you purchase it as an everyday bag and then you're like, I don't like it anymore, you can use it for maybe traveling. You can use it for the gym. You can use it for so many different things instead of like the main purpose of what you got it for. And that's sort of different than, let's say, the Felice, where you can only use it as a very minimalistic bag. The next bag, you guys, is going to be a shocking bag, and it's actually an all leather bag, and it is the Easy Pouch on Strap in epi leather, y'all. I love this bag. It is sitting at $15.90. The reason that I did not include the pochette accessoire in this video is because of this bag. Because this bag is actually available and you can purchase it, and it has a multifunctional strap that you can use that comes with it, unlike the pochette accessoire. And so this bag, you guys, is just so freaking awesome. Since it is in epi leather, you're going to have really durable, sturdy leather that you can be a little bit more, I would say, frivolous with. You can be a little bit more crazy with. You don't have to baby it too much. And I think it comes in pink and black in the epi leather, but I really think this bag is awesome. And like I said, for the price point, I think it's really amazing for what you're getting, especially with Louis Vuitton leather, because I talked about this over and over again, that Louis Vuitton leather is completely overrated, or not overrated, underrated. The next bag, you guys, is a confusing bag because I don't know which bag it is, y'all, and I'm pretty sure it is the Noe BB. Now, the reason this always confuses me because there is the Noe BB, the Petite Noe, the Nano Noe, the Neo Noe BB, the Neo Noe MM, the Noe regular, I'm trying to think, there's so many different Noes and Neo Noes available, and I just don't know which one it is. But I'm pretty sure it's the Noe BB in Damier Azur in monogram canvas, and it's sitting at $1,620. I actually think that you're getting a good, decent deal for this bag. You're getting a very classic style. A bucket bag is always a classic style. I mean, we go through trends and waves of maybe certain bag styles not being popular anymore, but a bucket bag I feel like will never go out of style. And the Noe BB is actually a decent size for what it is. I personally don't like the closure of this bag. I like the Neo Noe version better, but I feel like the Noe line, the whole Noe line, is a decent line, regardless if it's the Neo Noe or not. The next bag, you guys, is going to be the Petite Sac Plat in empreinte leather and epi leather, I believe. Y'all, this is an all leather bag, empreinte and epi. It's cheaper than the monogram version, and it's cheaper / more affordable than the Alma BB in monogram canvas. I was shocked when I saw this. I don't know if this has always been the case, but I was just perplexed that this bag was almost, I think, $200 cheaper than the monogram canvas version of this bag, and the specifications are exactly the same. And I'm like, why is monogram more? I think Louis Vuitton is going through a crisis, you guys. Maybe this is a mistake on their website. I don't know, but let's see, how much was it? Oh my gosh, I don't think I wrote the price. I think the price was $16.90 USD. Watch me be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was $16.90 USD. And yeah, it's a cute bag, y'all. I'm not a fan of the Petite Sac Plat in monogram and leather and anything, but I think if you are looking for an empreinte, affordable mini bag from Louis Vuitton, this is one of the best options that you can get. Like I said, it's not my favorite bag, but I think if you have a sense of fashion and know how to dress, you can really use this bag to pep up an outfit and be really hip, in, and trendy with this piece. But like I said, that's not me. I'm very casual, very boring, very basic, and I just don't know how or what I would use it for. So the last two bags I'm going to group together, you guys. They are very different styles of bags, but they are sitting at the same price point, which was actually very shocking to me because if I'm not mistaken, this was not the case in the past. And it's just interesting to see how the prices have developed at Louis Vuitton for certain bags and how they have increased or not decreased, because nothing did decrease, but how certain bags have exponentially increased in price while others have maybe slowly increased in price. And so we are looking at the Graceful PM and the Alma BB in monogram canvas and damier ebene print. Does the Graceful come in damier azur and damier ebene? I actually don't know because I don't look for it that often, but I'm pretty sure it does come in damier azur and maybe even damier ebene. These are very entry-level bags, but I personally think they are good, sturdy bags. Now regarding the price, they are sitting at $17.60, which puts them below the $2,000 mark for Louis Vuitton. And it was shocking for me to see that the Neverfull didn't make this list because the Neverfull has always been one of the most affordable bags that Louis Vuitton offers. And the Neverfull hit $2,000+. And I'm like, when did that happen? Because last time I saw it was like $1,700 or something. And I'm just like, when did it go up to $2,030? So the Neverfull is not included in this video, you guys, but the Graceful and the Alma are still very competitive, I feel like, entry-level bags for Louis Vuitton. So looking at both of these bags, I personally think that the Alma BB is the best bang for buck. Some people will argue with me, but I do feel like because you have different strap options, you have the top handle bag, which makes it a little dressier, you have the crossbody strap that makes it a little bit more casual, and just the style in general, how structured it is, it looks, in my opinion, a little nicer than the Graceful. But it also depends on your lifestyle. But like I said, I feel like you can get more accomplished with the Alma BB than, let's say, the Graceful. And this isn't necessarily by what fits inside, it's just with outfit choices. But I do have to say, if you are a person that is transitioning in life, meaning you're pregnant right now and you're looking for a very nice diaper bag, the Graceful PM might be a decent option for you. If you are maybe transitioning from toddler / baby to, I don't know what comes next, children, young children that need like snacks, that need a lot of toys, that need a lot of other things in your bag, and you need something with space and roomy, the Graceful is a good bag for that. You need something for work that fits a laptop, that fits an iPad, that fits all of your knickknacks and all that stuff, the Graceful is an amazing bag for that. And if that's your lifestyle, then the Graceful most definitely is going to be the best option for you. But in my personal opinion, based on my lifestyle and what I like to do, the Alma BB would be better for me. But regardless of your opinion on these bags, they are still some of the most affordable options that Louis Vuitton offers. And so I hope this list helped you in some way, shape, or form. I will link everything down below, like maybe I find versions of these bags on sale. And if you guys want to check them out, you are more than welcome to. Other than that, good luck with shopping, y'all. Love y'all. Have a wonderful day and bye.